you are able to have the coach with the access to whole internet data. What should I do?
To make the workflow continue even if the HTTP node throws an error, you'll need to adjust its settings. Please click on the sneaky note to open its configuration.
Hi Google, I face this issue on NI10 where I have the error in my HTTP node, but it's not that relevant, and I would like to just have the automation keep running even if this specific node throws an error. What should I do?
To make the workflow continue even if the HTTP node throws an error, you'll need to adjust its settings. Please click on the sneaky note to open its configuration, and then look for an option such as Continue on Error or Always Output.
I don't see it. Where do I find it?
It's likely under the Settings tab. Please click the Settings tab to the right of the Parameters tab.
Oh, okay. And what do I pick here on error?
Under On Error, click the drop-down menu and select Continue.
Oh, okay. And what do I do to test it?
Now you can test it. Click the red Execute Step button at the top of the panel.
Okay, I see. It's working now. Okay, thanks. Say hello to the viewers of this video. And we are super grateful for your assistance with recording the intro.
You're welcome. Glad I could help with your workflow, and best of luck with the video.
Okay, guys. I have shown you a really dumbed down example of how you can use this incredible chatbot from Google. You are able to have the coach with the access to whole internet data and IQ of just the human which has never existed in literally less than 2 minutes if you watch this quick tutorial and do exactly what I show you to do. And here is what you are going to do right now. Kindly open the link to Google AI Studio, which you can either type in manually just by seeing that part which I right now have emphasized in the URL bar. Alternatively, you can click the first link in the description below, and there in our school tribe of the best top 1% AI developers, you will be able to access this link just in one click, and there you will see this interface in front of you. And there are many different options which you can select from. Nevertheless, what we are going after is real-time option. You will click on it. After that, you will click on this option. Not that many ones to pick from in this example. And then you can get even real-life advice from Gemini. Be sure to turn it off when you are visiting suspicious websites, because just right during that process you can hear the voice from your laptop like, oh, try to move your hand a bit different way, or something of that nature. I will not pretend like this have never happened to me before. And for the sake of this tutorial, we will go with the share screen option. And just because we are completely lacking any sort of boundaries, we will go with entire screen option. Just let AI spy on us fully, just look straight into our souls, if we have any, and we click share. And here is the point which was making me going nuts for a long time, because I was trying to speak to AI, but I was receiving nothing in response. I did try to make a bit of money to make AI like me and have it reply to me. Still didn't work. That was such a good joke. And then I found out that it's actually so much easier. You just click this start recording button. And right now, hey AI, are you alive?
I'm here and processing your request. What can I do for you?
Okay, so I'm here on NA10 and I need to add the OpenAI node here to make analysis of the last week's sales data. How do I do this? I'm just new to NA10.
Sure thing. To add the OpenAI node, first click the build icon on the left sidebar. It looks like a cube. Then you can search for OpenAI in the panel that appears.
I don't really see it. Left build.
My apologies. It's the second icon from the top on the left, just below the personal icon. It looks like a small flowchart or 3 connected squares.
Oh, so like this.
Yes, that works. That message a model node is likely configurable. You'll want to configure it to use the OpenAI model and provide the sales data for the analysis.
Okay, amazing. And just one last question before I let you go. I want to know, can I use you if, for example, I'm setting up the Meta Ads campaign and I would like to get some tips on how to tweak my copy and creatives for better ROAS and higher conversion rate?
Yes, absolutely. I can help you with that. I can provide tips on A/B testing for meta ad copy and creatives, suggest targeting strategies, and provide best practices for improving conversion rates.
Okay, sweet. I feel too fucking lazy to say anything at the end of this video, so might you just adopt the persona of the person recording the tutorial for how to use AI and just say the final words to my audience, who are top 1%, extremely ambitious, highly skilled, and incredibly humble AI developers.
And that concludes our session. Remember, in the world of AI, continuous learning is key. Keep innovating, stay humble, and explore the possibilities.
And then you can just click finish the stream at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Now you have just crazy number of IQ points with a pleasant female voice, actually smart coach who is an expert in almost anything which is at least related to internet activities, which nowadays is majority of them, for literally free, and you can start using it in the next 2 minutes. And I know you will face a bit of resistance because our brain is not into trying out new things, but believe me, I used to resist it, but now I feel like it's just so much easier and more convenient. And you could think that it rots your brain when you have this thing which assists you, but it's like having a coach. It doesn't do the thing for you, it just provides you with continuous feedback and suggestions for improvement, where you are the one who is doing the action. So it's actually just like Alex Hormozy says when training salespeople, it's unbelievably important to have this pain-pleasure effect. So, if you don't follow the script, immediately you get negative feedback. In the same way here, you do not have to jump between two tabs, for example, asking ChatGPT on what to do and then going to an A10, for example, to figure that out. No, you literally can have Alex Hormozy with a cute female voice yelling at you to whatever extent AI can, guiding you on what to do and taking you to the promised land without you having to exert any effort or wasting any time. Press the like button, write in the comment section how did you like the final word from our future overlord AI, and of course it was a joke, of course. Join our tribe of the best, as I will not get tired of repeating, very humble AI developers by clicking the first link in the description below. I think the next 5 spots will be free or with a discount, so just grab this opportunity whilst it is available, and stay awesome, keep innovating, and let's grow together. Bye.